In this tutorial, you will learn how to enable a specific login level in your Spring Boot application at runtime. And to see which login level is activated in my application, I will add a few log messages. I will use one of the methods that I already have, delete user method, that is triggered when HTTP delete request is sent. And I will paste a few login messages so that I do not have to type it. These are error level, warn, info, debug, and trace. When error login level is activated, it will print out error level is on. For warn level, it will print warn level is on, and so on. Alright, now I will save changes to my file and I will start up my application, and when starting it up, I will pass a command line argument to activate a specific login level in my application. And to start up my application using terminal window, I will first need to copy my project path. So I will do right mouse click on the project and then select properties and then copy the location of my project. And then I will bring in terminal window and change directory to this project folder. Now to package my project into an executable jar file, I can use maven package command this way. And now I can run my Spring Boot application using either java jar command or simply continue using maven commands. And I will use maven command this time. And to tell my application what login level to use, I will pass the login level via a command line argument. And the argument that I will need to pass is login.level. And then I will need to provide a logger, and as a logger, I will need to provide a package name of my Spring Boot application. So the root package name of this current Spring Boot application is com apps developer blog. And then equals, and finally I will need to specify what login level I want to activate. Let's start with a very specific one, which is error. So now I'm ready to hit enter and to run this application. And by the way, I have many more Spring Boot and web services related tutorials like this one. And to check out the tutorials, please check the link in the description to this video. And if this video lesson was helpful to you, then please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel, because there will be many more new tutorials like this coming. Alright, so to see how this application works now, I will open up a Postman HTTP client and I will send the request to trigger a method in my controller class. So if I go back to my controller class, I have added login messages to a method that handles HTTP delete request, and I will need to send the HTTP delete request to /users web service endpoint. So I'll bring in Postman, and I do already have HTTP request prepared. So the HTTP method selected is HTTP delete, and then the address to my /users, and then some random user ID. Alright, so I will send this request. The request is successful. I see HTTP status to Hybrid. Now I will switch to a terminal window and I see a message, error level is on. And this is on the error login level. Alright, so that worked. Let's restart our application, and this time we will choose next login level. Let's try warn this time. And warn login level is next in login priorities, and warn login level should keep both error login messages on and also warning messages on. So let's try. My application is up and running. I will switch to Postman and repeat this HTTP request, go back to my console, and now I see error login is still on and warn login level is now activated. Alright, so that worked. Now let's try trace. I will terminate my app and I will restart my application with trace login level on. My application is up and running, and I will repeat my HTTP delete request, and now I have trace login level is on. So this worked as well. And as you can see, the trace login level does also keep all other login levels on. We can go back to error login level and log out error messages only. So I will terminate my app, and if I repeat this one with error login level on, that should only log out error messages. Repeat my request, and now I see error login level is activated. Alright, so everything is working well, and you now know how to activate a specific login level in your Spring Boot application.